How to stop comparing yourself to others. If you are constantly comparing yourself and it is very, very painful, then this video is for you. I'm going to share with you how you can stop comparing yourself to others. So watch it right until the end. Hi, I'm Astha Tatia, daughter of two rock-solid pillars, mother to a lovely daughter, wife of a humor king, an engineer, MBA, corporate executive turned anchor person, now an author and a happiness coach, helping corporate leaders build deep connections and meaningful relationships in their organizations. Do hit the like button if you find this video meaningful. Also subscribe to the YouTube channel. So the first question that comes to our minds is that why do we even compare ourselves? I do understand he's a different person, different individual. Why do we compare? See, the basic or the fundamental thing is that yes, we are all unique. And when I say unique by virtue of the experiences that we've had and as a result the beliefs that we are carrying. तो जो भी धारणाएं हमने बनाई है वो अलग अलग हैं, राइट? खुद को लेकर भी कुछ धारणाएं या कुछ beliefs हमने बनाए हैं, yeah? And what are those beliefs? They are going to give you the action or behavior that you are exhibiting. So if you are comparing yourself to somebody, if the thoughts are of comparison, oh my God, I'm not able to do it and he's already done it. How come he is able to do it so well and I'm not able to do it? He's getting all the praise. He's gotten the promotion, right? Or my boss always praises him, right? Or similar things where you constantly are comparing yourself to the other person. It happens when you think you are not enough. The flavor or the essence of the belief is मैं सक्षम नहीं हूँ, मेरे बस की नहीं है, मैं उतना अच्छा नहीं हूँ, मुझ में वो काबिलियत नहीं है, मुझसे नहीं होगा, and so on. So you need to first figure out what is that belief, the recurring one that keeps coming to you again and again. For me, I am not good enough. This was the recurring belief. I'm not good enough. I'm not good enough. I'm not good enough. When I'm not good enough is the belief, what do you think my thoughts were always going to be? They were, how can I fit in? How can I prove myself? Let me do this so that I sound intelligent. Let me do this so that I look good. And that's exactly what we do. So whatever the belief is, that will give you the thoughts. So you get the thoughts, let me do something so that I prove myself. And that's where when you are comparing yourself to others, you get into the mode of proving yourself, right? This is like a typical behavior that happens. And that is very, very painful because no two people are same. And when you strive to be somebody else, when you try to match up to somebody else, two things happen. One, you're disappointed because you are two different people. You cannot become somebody else. And at the core, that's not what you want, right? And two, in the process, you don't explore your individuality. You don't explore your uniqueness, right? And at times you don't even work to take it to the next level. You are stuck there. So one, the pain is there, comparing. I'm sure you would be experiencing this. So जब आप अपने आप को compare कर रहे हो किसी से, बहुत painful है क्योंकि आपको ऐसा लगता है वो वहाँ है और मैं वहाँ नहीं पहुँच सकता. तो वो painful है अपने आप में कि आगे क्या होने वाला है, कैसे होने वाला है. You have no access, you feel frustrated, you feel hopeless, right? और दूसरी चीज जो होती है, आप एक्शन भी नहीं लेते. या तो आप प्रोपेल हो जाओ कि नहीं मैं करके दिखाऊंगा. But there also the context is proving myself. So it doesn't leave you fulfilled. And if it doesn't propel you into action, then the other thing is you just sit down. And you bring in all excuses, all the blames for not taking action. Yeah, my boss is doing this, so I can't do it. My colleague does it, what can I do? I'm helpless. right? So what can you really do? अब ये तो समझ आ रहा है, ये सब कर रहे हो, बट अब इसका सोर्स क्या है? Beliefs, correct? Nobody, I mean, really, if I have to ask this question to myself, when I compare myself to somebody else, what am I really doing? What am I really doing? Do I really want to become that person? Is that the agenda? Is that the purpose of my life? Is that the purpose of your life? Certainly not. So the first thing that you must do is identify the belief which is getting you into this whole drama of comparing, of trying to prove yourself. Yeah. So what is that belief for you? Now, once you've identified that the belief is that I think I'm a loser, or I'm not good enough, I can't do it, I'm not good enough, I'm not up to the mark. Once you've identified that belief, understand that it's just a belief. There have been 1,000 instances where you've performed, you've done otherwise. Instances which have been an exception to this belief, right? आपने किया है, लेकिन ये belief इतना strong है कि आप इसी को run किए जा रहे हो. तो जब आपने belief identify कर लिया है, so start getting aware. जब भी comparison mode में आते हो, जब भी अपने आप को वहां पकड़ते हो, it's just a matter of practice. अभी तक practice किसकी की है? Compare करने की. अब practice किसकी करनी है? Aware होने की, और aware होके कुछ और action लेने की, instead of comparing. So जब अपने आप को पकड़ते हो कि oh, I'm going back there, I'm again trying to compare myself to the other. What is that? What's going on here? Which is that belief that has been triggered? Achha, I'm not good enough. My boss is supporting him. My boss is praising him because I'm not good enough, right? My colleague said this to me because I'm not good enough. My boss is he just tells me what to do, but he never lets me contribute because he thinks I'm not good enough. See, I'm not good enough. So अभी तक इसकी प्रैक्टिस थी, हर बार अपने आप को ये बोलते थे. अब अगर लैंग्वेज को बदल दिया जाए, अब अगर वही बिलीफ जो अभी तक रन कर रहा है आपको, और जो आपको कंपेयर करने पर मजबूर करता है, क्योंकि जब आप कम फील कर रहे हो, जब आप लिमिट हो रहे हो, तो आप कंपेयर करने के मोड में आते हो और कंपेयर करते हो और प्रूव करने में लग जाते हो, which is painful. So once you've identified, once you've started to get aware, replace it with another belief. And you will have to do this every time. That's a consistent work that you need to do. All you need to do is practice, practice, practice. इसको जितनी बार करोगे उतनी ही मसल बिल्ड होगी. जितने वेट्स उठाओगे मसल बिल्ड होगी, राइट? पर एक दिन किया और फिर 10 दिन छोड़ दिया, doesn't work, right? Muscle build नहीं होगी. You have to do it every day. यहाँ दर्द होना शुरू होगा, right? But you still have to do it. Same thing applies here. You catch yourself, I'm comparing myself, I'm again in that pain. और उसका तरीका क्या है? आप देखोगे जब भी आप कंपेयर करने वाले मोड में आ जाते हो, जब भी आपका वो बिलीफ ट्रिगर होता है, जो भी आपका यूनिक बिलीफ है, वो जब भी ट्रिगर होगा, there'll be a certain feeling which is going to be very, very unique to that experience. Like a unique feeling and a unique behavior also maybe. आप या तो चुप हो जाओगे, या आप बहुत ज्यादा बोलने लग जाओगे, या आप सल्क करने लग जाओगे, and you will feel very low. और so you need to figure out, क्योंकि वो feeling, वो जो behavior है, वो आपका कैच पॉइंट होगा. उसी से आइडेंटिफाई करो कि अच्छा मैं वापस ऐसा फील कर रहा हूँ, वापस से यही बिहेवियर है मेरा. हे व्हाट्स हैपनिंग? And then you catch yourself, oh, I'm running that same belief and hence this is happening. Because otherwise thoughts को पकड़ना मुश्किल है. So it's the behaviors which help you catch them. Now once you've caught yourself, वापस वही कर रहा हूँ, क्या मैं यही करना चाहता हूँ? Then you replace it with that new language, which is the new belief. You've articulated that new belief, a forwarding belief. It could be anything. I am unique. I am enough. I have the power to deal with what is there. I love myself. I accept myself, right? Whatever inspires you, उससे replace करो. और replace करो, उसको दोहराओ अपने अंदर. Say that to yourself till you feel it. Now, when you do this once, when you do this twice, when you do this 5 times, 10 times, 20 times, you keep doing it, maybe दिन में 10 बार और फिर हर रोज, imagine in no time you're going to build that muscle. धीरे धीरे comparison पे आओगे, but you'll snap out of it. You'll be like, okay, it's just a belief. It's not that I am not good enough. It's just a belief that I picked up somewhere. Something happened in my life, I picked it up and I'm bringing it here and I'm comparing myself to somebody else. And that comparison, it's not needed. And let me tell you, जब ये करने लगोगे, you will start to discover the unique you also. अभी वो दरवाजा आपने बंद कर दिया है because आप किससे डील करने में लगे हुए हो? How do I prove myself? उससे बेहतर अपने आप को कैसे दिखा दूं? जब उससे बेहतर अपने आप को कैसे दिखा दूं, ये टास्क है, ये एजेंडा है, तो वो जो रियली करना चाहते हो, वो जो आपका पर्पस है, वो जहां पे आप यूनिक हो, वो जो आपकी स्ट्रेंथ है, वहां तो ध्यान ही नहीं जा रहा, वहां तो एनर्जी नहीं जा रही, सारी एनर्जी लग रही है कंपेयर करो और फिर प्रूव करो. Happens? Are you able to relate with it? I hope you are. So this is what you need to do. Consistent effort, just keep doing it. Don't get bogged down by, oh, I missed out 3 times, 5 times. Go at your pace, just catch yourself. Get aware, catch yourself, replace the limiting with forwarding belief. Again, the same thing. Do it over and over again. The only way you can stop comparing yourself to others and thereby you reduce the pain that you go through every time you do it is to do the work. And the work I just explained to you. Yeah? So take charge. Don't leave it because this comparison and all doesn't let you move ahead. You'll stay stuck. Right? Take charge, take responsibility, and go ahead. So if you were able to relate with this, you found it valuable, meaningful, then hit the like button, subscribe to the YouTube channel, and do write to me what is your action point going to be. I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.